Now this is a drone I've been excited about for quite some time now. It's called the HOVERAir AQUA, a fully waterproof drone. I can't wait to see what comes in the packaging and what's included, but it is fully waterproof. You can capture 4K up to 100 frames per second. It's got this armband for tracking. It's got a screen on it, all sorts of cool stuff going on here. So let's get into it, see how it comes packaged, and see what we get inside. Can't wait. Okay, there we go. So that's the drone. Already seen that. And then I would assume that we just slide this off. It just says hover in some nice font there. So we'll just take this sleeve off. So there's that. That's the sleeve that we saw before. We'll just keep that there. And then this box will just slide off the lid of it. Come on. Let's get into it. Show me the drone. Seriously? Okay, here we go. Whew. Okay, that was a mission. There we go. There it is. Let's move everything out of the way now. So we see what we get in the box. So the drone is right at the center there. There it is right there. Love the orange design. The propellers are kind of facing down, which is interesting. There's the battery on top. That's the screen there with a few buttons. This is cool. So we just open this. Take it out of the box. There we go. So that's that. And again, I'm glad that they went with a bright color, because if this is going to be in the water, you want to make sure that you're able to see it. Also, that's not even a cover, that's the foam by the looks of it. Right, so it's got like a foam propeller guard around it. That's underneath, that we can see there. The propellers are almost like downward facing, or just under the body, which is quite unique. Nice big camera system right on top there. That looks very nice. Then we've got the buttons here, so it looks like a left, right button, a back button, a record button. We've got, I guess that's a power button maybe. And then this, oh, it clips. That's good. I'm glad that they've done that. It needs to be nice and secure, the battery, especially if it's in the water getting knocked around. So it's got the pins at the back there, which just slot into place. Just looks like you pull those little clips back once everything's lined up, obviously, like so. Just clicks into place. And then you can actually push those clips forward to really seal it. There we go. So that's the drone. Quite lightweight. Unique design. It's got this little like backing here, which I don't know if that's where the antenna is, but we will find all of this out. It just says hover on the front. So that's that. Now we've got cute little bags that just say hover. And these are like battery bags, are they? Oh, this is cool. Oh, I love that. It's a fully waterproof battery bag. That is smart. Well, I'd assume it'd be waterproof. It must be. So there's one of the batteries. I like those bags. They're nice. Looks like it's got like different locking points, and then it's got Velcro as well. They're nice. I like those. So we get 2 of those. That's the other one. So that gives us the 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3 over there. I like how they've done that with the bags. Now over here, this might just be got some paperwork in there, which we don't need to have a look at really right now. We've got some paperwork as always in there. We've got another one of these waterproof bags, and that would probably be for the other battery, because then that would give us 3. So we'll leave that there. Comes with a cable, so it's a USB-C to USB-C. And then some additional paperwork in there as well. So that's all the info. We don't need the info right now, we just want the batteries. So that's everything there. Then we've got this. I'm just going to move the box out of the way. There's the repair kit. Okay, so that's now everything now that we've moved the box. Just to give us a little bit of space, I'm struggling to get it all in the frame. So we saw the information that was there. This might be, this is the remote. Oh, this is cool, look at this. So it literally just says hover on the strap, hover up here. And then we just open this up, flip that around, and there we go. So it's got some different directional buttons by the looks of it, different icons that I'll have to learn all about. A return to home button there. Under here, USB-C for charging. Looks like we've got the power button on the side there. Don't know if it's got, oh yeah, it's got some power. Very nice. That's just power on the drone as well. The power button at the back maybe. Is that right? I don't know. Maybe that isn't the power button. Is it the record button? Let's try that. Okay. Maybe it doesn't have any power. Is that the battery indicator? You would think so. Maybe I just need to charge them all. Okay, anyway. Guess this is just an unboxing anyway. So there you go, that's the remote. I don't even know what they call it. So that's the little system. It does have a built-in speaker so you can hear what it's doing. It's got obviously different buttons which we'll have to figure out, return to home, all that good stuff. And here we have got, oh yeah, charging hub. Perfect. So this is how we're going to mount up the two batteries. So it looks like it's limited to 2 here. You can see that clipping mechanism there. You pull it down, push it into place, and then it just kind of locks in. Oh, that's quite a snug little fit, isn't it? When it's just like that. I'm just going to plug it in off to the side. Just see if it immediately, sometimes these batteries you plug it in and then it initiates, like it just activates the battery, or maybe they've just got no charge. We will find out. Oh no, it's just got low charge. Okay, so while we do this, I'm going to try to charge that batteries, just so we can power on the drone to see the screen. So that's that box done. That was that box. That was the charging hub in there, so nothing else in that one, nothing else in that one. We're getting through it. We saw the information. Now we've got the repair kit here. I have no idea what this is going to be all about. Oh, cool. Look at that. It's a nice repair kit. Very nice how they've done that. So it comes with the foam style propeller guards. You get a spare one of those, which is nice. You get some extra props, some extra pieces for the body, a screwdriver. That's a nice kit. Really nice kit. Alright, so this is what the charging hub looks like. Like I showed you before, it only has the 2 slots. So you have to charge 2 batteries at a time, but quite a clean design, especially the way it sits. It's very flush, the way it just sits like that with the battery. Like, you know, even if we have this other one in, I'm getting confused with which way. So just like that. Look how clean that looks. Very, very clean. Alright, let's have a look. Oh no, let me have a look at this. So we're going to plug this one in and hope that we can get just a little bit of power to have a look at that screen. Okay, so do we press and hold it? There we go. Press and hold it. We get hover. So weird to feel foam on a drone. There we go. So, yep, can't really see much on the screen. We'll have to connect it up to the app and everything, but the screen does work. All of that just to kind of get to a point where I need to connect it up to the app. But that's okay. There we go. That is the HOVERAir AQUA. Cannot wait to test this out and get a little bit more of that experience on water. This is going to be a very, very exciting experience for me. There you go, that's everything you get in the kit. Pretty cool stuff here. Very nice.